it can be used to clone a voice from a target audio file. So we'll listen to this sample audio generations we have. So this is the original sound clip.
Where the skies were painted with shades of mystic hues and the forests whispered secrets of old.
Now here we have a target sound clip in another language.
Pão tem origens datadas na década de 1640.
And this is the generated clone voice.
In the ancient land of Eldoria, where the skies were painted with shades of mystic hues and the forests whispered secrets of old.
So I'll show you how to use this endpoint in the Postman. So let's use it. First we'll copy this endpoint URL. We'll go to Postman. I'll just paste this endpoints here. Now I will go to the documents again, and here we have the payload. So I'll just copy this payload here. Now I'll put my API key here, and we'll be making the request. So we have done pretty much the setup. We have this init audio which will be used. This will be target audio from which the voice will be cloned to the original audio. We'll just make a API request now. We'll wait for a couple of seconds till the request is completed. Okay, as you can see, our output may have been generated, so let's check.
But he and I met, we picked up the scripts, we started screwing around, and I actually thought, oh, this is it. This is how this works. This is like I had inside a glove, and for 2.
So this is how the whole thing works, and yeah.